Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. I will be posting videos regularly on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to my channel Divyas Maths and do like, comment and share the videos with your friends. To score full marks in maths exam, solving previous year's questions is very important and it is must. So, today we will be solving previous year's questions from the chapter Trigonometry. And our target is to score full marks in the board exams. Before discussing the previous year's questions, this is the trigonometric formulas. So, please be ready with the formulas so that it will be easy for you to solve the questions. Let us see the first question. Find the value of secant 15 degrees by cosecant 75 degrees plus sine 72 degrees by cos 18 degrees minus tan 33 degrees by cot 57 degrees. So if you see this angle, they are complementary angles. So we need to convert this cosecant into secant or secant into cosecant. We need to convert this cot into tan or tan into cot. If we want to convert into secant, you have secant A is equals to cosecant 90 minus A. Yes, so if you want to convert cos into sine, sine A is equals to cos 90 minus A. Correct? So if you want to convert cot into tan, tan A is equals to cot 90 minus A. Now, how do we convert them? So, we know that they are complementary angles. Cosecant 75, right? So, 75 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. Yes, so 90 minus 15 is 75 only. Correct. So, in the same way, 18 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 72 degrees. So 57 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 33 degrees. Now let us convert them using this. Secant 15 degrees divided by cosecant 75 degrees can be written as cosecant 90 minus 15. Okay. Plus sine 72 degrees divided by, so cos of 18 degrees can be written as 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72 degrees minus tan 33 degrees by cot 57. Cot 57 degrees can be written as 90 minus 33. Cosecant 90 minus A is secant A. Right? So, this will be secant 15 degrees by secant 15 degrees. Okay? Plus sine 72 degrees divided by cos 90 minus, this is in the form of cos 90 minus A. That is sine A. So, this will be sine 72 degrees minus tan 33 degrees by cot 90 minus 33 is in the form of cot 90 minus A. It is tan A. Tan A is nothing but tan 33 degrees. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is 1. So let us solve the next question. If cot theta is equals to 9 by 12, then find the value of sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus secant theta plus cosecant theta by secant theta minus cosecant theta. We have the value of cot theta. Cot theta is 9 by 12. From here, can we get the value of tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta, which is 12 by 9. Okay, so now we have two values, that is cot theta and tan theta. Now we can easily find the value of this. First we will take this one and then we will take this one. Okay, so let us take sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta first. Okay, we have cot theta and tan theta, right? So how do we get here tan or cot? So if we want to get tan theta, we can divide this with cos theta, because sin by cos is tan theta. Let us divide numerator and denominator with cos theta. Cos theta. Okay. So when you divide it with cos theta, you will get sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta. Okay, so this will be 1 and this will be 1. Okay, so this will be sin by cos is tan, right? So tan theta plus 1 by tan theta minus 1. So let us take the second one, which is secant theta plus cosecant theta by secant theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, so we have cot and tan values. So if you divide with cosecant theta, you will get tan theta, right? So let us divide numerator and denominator with cosecant theta. This will be secant theta by cosecant theta plus cosecant theta by cosecant theta divided by secant theta by cosecant theta minus cosecant theta by cosecant theta. So this will be 1 and this will be 1. So you will get tan theta plus 1 by tan theta minus 1. Okay, so let us write it. That is, what is 1? 1 is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta minus 1 plus, what is 2 here? 2 is this one, right? Which is tan theta plus 1 by tan theta minus 1. Tan theta plus 1 by tan theta minus 1. So if you take the LCM, you will get tan theta minus 1 and tan theta minus 1. Yes, so you have one tan theta here, correct? So this will be tan theta plus 1 into tan theta minus 1. Okay, which is plus, in the LCM, 1 tan theta minus 1. So in the numerator you will get tan theta plus 1 into tan theta minus 1. This is tan theta plus 1, tan theta minus 1. This is a plus b into a minus b, which is tan square theta minus 1. Plus, here also you will get the same thing, tan square theta minus 1. Divided by, here you will get tan theta minus 1 whole square. Tan square theta minus 1 plus tan square theta minus 1. Okay. Divided by tan theta minus 1 whole square. If you take 2 common here, you will get tan square theta. This is tan square theta plus tan square theta is 2 tan square theta, right? So tan square theta minus 1, okay, divided by tan theta minus 1 whole square. So we know the value of tan theta, that is 12 by 9. So let us substitute here. Tan theta is equals to 12 by 9. This will be 2 of tan theta is 12 by 9 whole square minus 1 divided by 12 by 9 minus 1 whole square. So you will get 2 of 12 square is 144 by 81 minus 1 divided by, so if you take an LCM here, this will be 12 minus 9 by 9 whole square. The answer is 14. Okay. So let us solve the next question. So we need to find the value of this. Okay. Tan square 60 plus 4 cos square 45 plus 3 secant square 30 plus 5 cos square 90 divided by cosecant 30 plus secant 60 minus cot square 30. Okay. So first let us write tan 60 is root 3. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Next, secant 30 is 2 by root 3. Cos 90 is 0. Cosecant 30 is 2. Secant 60 is 2. Cot 30 is root 3. Let us substitute all these values in this. Tan 60 is root 3, which is root 3 whole square plus 4 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, which is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 into secant square 30. Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. So 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square plus 5 into cos 90. Cos 90 is 0 divided by cosecant 30 is 2. 2 plus secant 60 is 2 minus cot 30 is root 3. Cot square 30 is root 3 whole square. So root and square will get cancelled, which is 3 plus 4 into, here also root and square will get cancelled, which is 1 by 2 plus 3 into, this is 2 square, right? 2 square is 4. 4 by square and root will get cancelled, which is 3 plus 5 into 0 is 0 divided by 2 plus 2 minus root and square will get cancelled, minus 3. Okay. 2 ones and 2 twos, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So here you will get 3 plus 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus 3, 9. 9 is the answer. So let us solve the next question. If sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is equals to 4, find the value of theta. So we need to find the value of theta here. Okay. This is sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. We can take the LCM here, which is 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is same. So this will be sin theta into 1 plus cos theta in the numerator. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus For this one also, you have 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. The remaining is sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. See, if you see here, sin theta is common. Yes? So, let us take sin theta common, which is sin theta. If you take sin theta common, you will have 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So, this is sin theta 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta, which is equals to 4. So, if you see here, cos theta will get cancelled. So, this is 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So, this is sin theta into 2 divided by 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Sin square theta is equals to 4. So, sin theta and 1 sin theta will get cancelled. You will get 2 by sin theta is equals to 4. So, if I want sin theta, you will get 2 by 4, right, which is 1 by 2. Yes, so sin theta is equals to 1 by 2. So, what is the value of 1 by 2 in terms of sine, which is sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. So, comparing it, you will get theta is equals to 30 degrees. Okay. You will get theta is equals to 30 degrees. So, let us solve the next question. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 1 by sin square theta minus 1 by sin power 4 theta. Okay. See, normally proving questions is like we will take LHS and we will prove for RHS. Okay. Otherwise, we will take RHS and we will prove for LHS. Okay. And in some cases, we will start with LHS. We will come to one point and stop there. And then we will take RHS. We will come to one point and we will see if both are matching. Okay. So, we will see how can we prove this. Let us take LHS. 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. Now here you can take the LCM. We will also take 1 plus tan square theta common. 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Okay. So, if you see this is like 1 plus tan square theta and 1 plus tan square theta. So, we can write it as 1 plus tan square theta whole square. Okay. By tan square theta. So, if you see this, do you see any identity here? So, this will be secant square theta whole square by tan square theta, which is nothing but secant power 4 theta by tan square theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Yes. So, I will write it as 1 by cos power 4 theta. See, 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Right? Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. So, I am writing it here, cos square theta by sin square theta. Cos square theta and here cos square theta will get cancelled. This will be 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay. So, but we need to prove 1 by sine square theta minus sine power 4 theta. But we have got 1 by sine square theta into cos square theta. Yes, this is our LHS. Now, let us take the RHS and see. RHS is equals to 1 by sine square theta minus sine power 4 theta. Okay, here we can take sine square theta common. Yes, if you take sine square theta common, this will be sine square theta 1 minus sine square theta. So if you take sine square theta common, this will be 1 minus sine square theta. We know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. 1 by sine square theta into cos square theta. This is what our LHS is, right? This is the RHS. So we can say that LHS is equals to RHS. So therefore we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Let us solve the next question. If cos alpha by cos beta is equals to m, cos alpha by sin beta is equals to n, then we need to show that m square plus n square into cos square alpha is equals to m square into n square. We have m is equals to cos alpha by cos beta, right? And n is equals to cos alpha by sin beta. Then we need to take a reciprocal. Okay. So let us take 1 by m. If you take 1 by m, this will be in the numerator and this will be in the denominator. So cos beta by cos alpha. So this will be 1 by n is equals to sin beta by cos alpha. See, I am just doing it according to the question. Okay. So in the question we have m square plus n square. So next we need to do square. Okay. So let us do squares. 1 by m square cos square beta by cos square alpha, and for the n also 1 by n square is equals to sin square beta by cos square alpha. Then next what we need to do? We need to add them, right? So let us add them. 1 by m square plus 1 by n square is equals to cos square beta by cos square alpha plus sin square beta by cos square alpha. Let us take a LCM here and let us take a LCM here also. Okay. So if you take a LCM here you will get m square plus n square divided by m square into n square equals to, here you will get cos square alpha in the denominator, sin square beta plus cos square beta. So we know that sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1. Now let us take cross multiplication, which is m square plus n square into cos square alpha is equals to m square into n square. This is what we need to show. So hence proved. Let us solve the next question. If cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then write all trigonometric ratios in terms of k. So we need to find all trigonometric ratios in terms of k. What is given? Given is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. So let us take this as equation 1. So we have an identity with cosecant theta and cot theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so this can be written as cosecant theta minus cot theta and cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to 1. We know cosecant theta plus cot theta is equals to k. Cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to, see if I send, this is k, right? If I send it here, it will be 1 by k. Okay, this will be your equation 2. This is k, right? So if I send it to RHS, it will be 1 by k. Okay. So let us add 1 and 2. If you add 1 and 2, cot will get cancelled. This will be 2 cosecant theta is equals to k plus 1 by k. If I take LCM here, this is 2 cosecant theta is equals to k square plus 1 by k. So if I want only cosecant theta, this is k square plus 1 by 2k. I can find sin theta because sin theta is 1 by cosecant theta, which is 2k by k square plus 1. Now let us find the cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. We have taken this identity because we know sin theta. Okay. So let us put it here. 1 minus 2k by k square plus 1 whole square. So if you take an LCM, this will be k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square divided by k square plus 1 whole square. So which is root of k square minus 1 whole square. This can be written as k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. When I individually divide the roots and the square will get cancelled. Okay. So which is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is for the cos theta. Okay. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So if you see here, k square plus 1 will get cancelled. Here you will have 2k by k square minus 1. This is your tan theta. When you know tan theta, we can get cot theta because cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Yes. So this will be k square minus 1 by 2k. Okay. Now remaining is secant theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is nothing but, what is cos theta? K square minus 1 by k square plus 1, right? So this will be k square plus 1 by k square minus 1. Okay. So let us solve the next question. So we need to prove that cos a by 1 minus tan a plus sin a by 1 minus cot a is equals to sin a plus cos a. So let us take LHS first. What is LHS? Cos a by 1 minus tan a can be written as sin a by cos a. Okay. Plus sin a by 1 minus cot a can be written as cos by sin. Cos a by sin a. Okay. So I am just taking LCM here. You will get cos a by cos a minus sin a by cos a plus sin a by sin a minus cos a by sin a. Okay. So I am just sending this cos a and sin a to the numerator. Cos square a by cos A minus sin A plus sin square A by sin A minus cos A. Okay. If you look at the denominator, if you want to take the LCM here, the denominators are not same. Right? So if you want to make the denominator same from cos A minus sin A, if you take minus common, this will be sin A minus cos A. Right? Then we can take the LCM. Cos square A by, see if I take minus common, this will be sin A minus cos A plus sin square A by sin A minus cos A. I can take sin A minus cos A for LCM. So, sin A minus cos A I can take for the LCM. So, this will be minus cos square A plus sin square A. See the numerator. Minus cos square A plus sin square A can be written as sin A plus cos A sin A minus cos A divided by sin A minus cos A. So sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A will get cancelled. This is sin A plus cos A. This is what we need to prove. This is your RHS. Okay. So hence proved. So let us solve the next question. We need to show that secant theta minus tan theta whole square is equals to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So let us take the LHS first. Secant theta minus tan theta whole square. So secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta whole square. So when you take the LCM, this will be cos theta will be in the denominator. Here you will get 1 minus sin theta whole square. So this becomes 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. This is 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin theta whole square can be written as 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin square theta can be written as 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay. So 1 minus sin theta gets cancelled. This is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. This is what we need to prove. This is our RHS. Okay. Easy. So let us solve the next question. We need to show that cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta is equals to 2 secant theta. Okay. So let us take LHS first. Let us take LCM for these two. If you take the LCM, this will be 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. In the numerator, you will get cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Plus, here also you have cos theta and cos theta. You will get 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is 1 minus sin theta whole square. Okay. Cos square theta plus I'm just applying a formula here, which is a minus b whole square. 1 plus sine square theta minus 2 into sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta into cos theta. So see, if I write it in order, you will get sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 1 minus 2 sine theta. Okay. Divided by 1 minus sine theta into cos theta. We have an identity. Yes. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta into cos theta. The denominator remains same. Okay. So here you will get 2 minus 2 sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta into cos theta. So if you see the numerator, I can take 2 common, right? If I take 2 common, this will be 1 minus sine theta. So denominator will be 1 minus sine theta into cos theta. So 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta will get cancelled. So you will have 2 into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by cos theta? 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So which is 2 into secant theta. This is our RHS. Yes. So hence proved. Prove that root of 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta is equals to secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So let us take LHS. If you see here, you have root. What we can do to remove the root? If we have square, we can remove the roots. So if we can rationalize it, we will get squares. We can cancel the roots. Okay. So let us rationalize it. 1 minus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta. Okay. So this will be square root of 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine theta whole square divided by 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta. I am just dividing the roots. Okay. So here the root and square will get cancelled. Yes. So this will be 1 minus sine theta. If you see the denominator, root of 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. So this is cos theta. Okay. So I can write it as 1 by cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta. Okay. I'm just dividing them. So 1 by cos theta is nothing but the secant theta minus sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Okay. So this is what we required in the RHS. Right? This is RHS. So proved. Okay. So let us solve the next question. If cosecant A is equals to root 2, then find the value of this. Okay. Cosecant A is root 2. Right? What is cosecant A? Cosecant A is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Perpendicular will be 1. Once I know cosecant A, I can find sine A because 1 by cosecant is sine. Right? 1 by cosecant A is sine A. Okay. Which is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Which is P by H. So I can say it is 1 by root 2. Next we'll find for cos A. Cos A is base by hypotenuse. We have got base, that is 1. 1 by hypotenuse is root 2. Okay. So when we got cos A, we can find tan A. Tan A is sin A by cos A, which is sin A is 1 by root 2 and cos A is 1 by root 2. Root 2 will get cancelled, which is 1. Then we can find cot A. Cot A is 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A, which is 1. So we need to substitute the values here. So which is 2 into sin square A. What is sin value? It is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 3 into cot is 1 square divided by 4 into tan square A. Tan is 1 square is 1 minus cos square. Cos square is 1 by root 2 whole square. Square and square will get cancelled. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay. Which is 1 plus 3 divided by, here square and square will get cancelled. So you will have 4 of 1 minus 1 by 2. So you will get 4 divided by, this is 4 of 2 minus 1 by 2, which is 2 ones, 2 twos are, 2 ones, 2 twos are. Okay, so 2 is the answer. Let us see the next question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P, then prove that sin theta is equals to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. So, see this, given is secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P. Okay, let us take this as 1. See, using secant and tan, we have an identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. This is the identity, right? So, secant square theta minus tan square theta can be written as secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. We know that secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P. Put it here. Secant theta minus tan theta into P is equals to 1. If you want secant theta minus tan theta minus tan theta, you will get 1 by P. Now let us add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. If you add 1 and 2, tan will get cancelled. Yes, so you will get 2 secant theta is equals to P plus 1 by P. So you will get 2 secant theta is equals to P square plus 1 by P. If I want only secant theta, which is secant theta is equals to P square plus 1 by 2P. Okay. If I subtract 1 and 2, 1 minus 2. If I subtract these both, you will get 2 tan theta is equals to P plus 1 by P. Okay. So, 2 tan theta is equals to, if I take the LCM, P square plus 1 by P. If I want only tan theta, it will be tan theta is equals to P square plus 1 by 2P. Okay. So, we need to prove that sin theta is equals to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. So, what we need to do? So, we will divide tan theta and secant theta. So, divide tan theta by secant theta. If you divide tan theta by secant theta, tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta and secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Okay. So, cos will get cancelled. You will have sin theta. Sin theta is equals to, this is minus here. Okay. This is minus. p square minus 1 by 2p divided by p square plus 1 by 2p. So 2p gets cancelled. So this will be sin theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. So this is what we need to prove, right? So hence proved. Now let us see 2-mark questions. Okay. So these kind of questions, they may ask for 2 marks or for the 3 marks questions as well. Show that root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equals to tan theta plus cot theta. Let's take LHS first. That is root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta plus cosecant square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. Okay. Now taking the LCM, you will get sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So you will get square root of 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta. Here see, we are just applying the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. So 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta, which is, I am just removing the root. You will get 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. Into what is 1 by cos theta? 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So you have got secant theta into cosecant theta. So we will just keep it aside and try to solve RHS. Now let's take RHS. In RHS we have tan theta plus cot theta. Yes. So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Taking the LCM, you will get sin theta into cos theta. This will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. So here also we have an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So which is 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Okay, is equals to, what is 1 by sin theta? It is cosecant theta into 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Okay, so if you see this, this is your LHS and this is your RHS. Yes, which is proved. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. So this is the second question. We need to prove that square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta is equals to secant theta minus tan theta. So we will take LHS and we will try to prove and it is equal to RHS. So first we'll take LHS, square root of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So in this case, we need to remove the square root. So how do we remove the square root? If we convert the numerator and denominator into squares so that we can remove the square root. Yes. So for that we will rationalize it. Okay. So how do we rationalize? Which is 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Square root of 1 minus sin theta whole square divided by, if you see here, this is like a plus b into a minus b. Yes, which is a square minus b square. 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine theta whole square divided by square root of 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. So here you can see square and the root will get cancelled. You will get 1 minus sine theta. Okay. So here if you see root of 1 minus sine square theta, what is the identity there? It is cos theta. 1 by cos theta. I am just individually writing it. Sine theta by cos theta. What is 1 by cos theta? It is secant theta. Minus sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Okay. So which is your RHS? Okay. So proved. Hence proved. Now let us see the next problem. If tan a plus b is equals to 1 and cos a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2, then we need to find the values of a and b. So if you see this, tan a plus b is equals to 1. What is the value of 1 in trigonometric ratios in the form of tan? That is tan 45 degrees. Yes. Now comparing them, you will get a plus b is equals to 1. If you take cos a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Now comparing them, you will get a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2. If you take this as 1 and if you take this as 2, by adding 1 and 2, you will get a plus b is equals to 1 and a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2. So b will get cancelled, which is 2a is equals to 1 plus root 3 by 2, which is 2 plus root 3 by 2. So 2a is equals to root 3 by 2. You will get a is equals to 2 plus root 3 by 4. Subtract 1 and 2. So if you subtract 1 and 2, what will you get? 2b is equals to 1 minus root 3 by 2, which is 2 minus root 3 by 2. You will get b is equals to 2 minus root 3 by 4. So these are the values for a and b. So let us solve the next question. If x is equals to a secant theta and y is equals to b tan theta, then prove that x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. So what is given? Given is x is equals to a secant theta. So from here, what is secant theta? It is x by a. So in the same way, y is equals to b tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is equals to y by b. Okay. So first we'll take LHS, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square. Okay. So we know the value of x by a, that is secant. Yes. So this can be written as, x by a whole square minus y by b whole square. We know that x by a is nothing but secant theta. So secant square theta minus y by b is tan square theta. Tan square theta. Okay, so we have an identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So this is your RHS. Hence proved. So let us solve the next problem. If ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, then we need to show that sin A plus B by 2 plus cos A plus B by 2 is equals to cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2. Sum of angles in interior angles are 180 degrees. Yes, so we can take A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. We need to show sine of A plus B. We only need A plus B here, right? So we will take A plus B is equals to 180 degrees minus C. Okay, if I want A plus B by 2. So this will be A plus B by 2. If I want A plus B by 2, this will be 90 minus C by 2. So let us apply sine A plus B by 2 is equals to sine of 90 minus C by 2. You will get, if you see here, this is like sine 90 minus A. Okay, you will get cos C by 2. Let us take this as equation number 1. The same way, let us apply cos for this. Cos A plus B by 2 is equals to cos 90 degrees minus C by 2. Here also cos 90 minus A will be your sin A. So which is sin A. Sin A is sin C by 2. Okay. This is your equation 2. So if you add 1 and 2, you will get, that is sin A plus B by 2 plus cos A plus B by 2 is equals to, you will get cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2. Cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2. So this is what we need to show. So let us solve this question. We will prove left hand side is equals to RHS. Okay. So let us take the LHS first. LHS, I am just dividing the square roots to numerator and denominator. Cosecant A plus 1 by root of cosecant A minus 1 minus root of cosecant A minus 1 by root of cosecant A plus 1. So here I am taking the LCM for these both. So when I take the LCM, this will be square root of cosecant square A minus 1. So which is cosecant A plus 1 whole square minus root of cosecant A minus 1 whole square. Here root and square will get cancelled, which is cosecant A plus 1 minus cosecant A minus of minus is plus 1 divided by, see, root of cosecant square A minus 1 is cot A. Okay, this is an identity, right? So here cosecant A and cosecant A will get cancelled. So you will have 2 by cot A. Okay, which is 1 by cot is tan. So 2 into tan A. This is your RHS. Okay, therefore proved. Find the measure of the angle A and B if cos A minus B is root 3 by 2 and sin A plus B is. So what is given? we know that cos A minus B is equals to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So if we compare them, here we need to find the angle, right? If we compare them, you will get A minus B is 30 degrees, okay? In the same way, we have sin A plus B is equals to root 3 by 2. We know that sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, right? So if we compare them, you will get A plus B is equals to 60 degrees. So we can take it as equation 1 and 2. Let's add equation 1 and 2. You will get 2A is equals to 90 degrees. So A is equals to 90 degrees by 2. You will get 45 degrees. So you will get A is equals to 45 degrees. We can substitute in any one of the equations and get the value of B. Okay. Substitute A is equals to 45 degrees in equation 2. That is A plus B is equals to 60 degrees. So A is 45, 45 plus B is equals to 60 degrees. B is equals to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees, which is B is equals to 15 degrees. Okay. Let us solve the next question. Find the value of tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cot square 30 by cos square 60 degrees. So, we know the values, that is, let us put them in this.
Tan 60.
Root 3, that is root 3 whole square divided by sin 30 is 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 whole square, plus cot 30 is root 3 whole square divided by 1 by 2 whole square. Here we can see root and square will get cancelled. 3 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 1 by 4, which is 6 by 1 by 2, which is 12. 12 is the answer. Okay. So let us solve the next question. Prove that 1 by sin square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Let us take the LHS. 1 by sin square theta minus cot square theta can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta. Now let us take the LCM. Sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. And 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Sin square theta by sin square theta, which is 1. Which is RHS. Okay. So, proved. So, let us solve the next question. If cosecant A plus B is equals to 1 and cot A minus B is equals to root 3. Find the value of A and B. So, given is cosecant A plus B is equals to 1. So, we know that cosecant 90 degrees is 1, right? So, comparing them, you will get A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Now, we will take this equation as 1. Okay. In the same way, cot A minus B is equals to root 3. So, what is the value of root 3 in terms of cot? Cot 30 degrees is root 3. So, comparing them, you will get A minus B is equals to 30 degrees. Let us take this as equation 2. Now, let us add equation 1 and 2. You will get 2A is equals to 90 plus 30 is 120. So, A is equals to 120 by 2 is 60 degrees. A is 60 degrees. Okay. So let us substitute A is equals to 60 in equation 1. What is equation 1? It is A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. What is A? A is 60 degrees plus B is equals to 90 degrees. If you want B, you will get 60 degrees to RHS. Okay, you will get B is equals to 30 degrees. Okay, so the value of A is 60 degrees and value of B is 30 degrees. Clear?
The first question is, show that tan squared theta minus 1 by cos squared theta is equals to minus 1. Let us take LHS. Tan squared theta minus 1 by cos squared theta. So tan squared theta can be written as sin squared theta by cos squared theta. Okay, because tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, minus 1 by cos square theta. So let us take the LCM for this both. This will be cos square theta. Here you will get sin square theta minus 1. If you see this, do you see any identity? What is the identity? 1 minus sin square theta is equals to cos square theta. Yes, this is the identity. So let us get this sin square theta minus 1 in the form of 1 minus sin square theta. How do you get it? We will take minus common. So if you take minus common, this becomes 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Okay, so this becomes minus cos square theta by cos square theta. So cos square theta will get cancelled, which is minus 1. So this is your RHS. Okay. Let us see the next question. If tan theta is equals to root 3, then find the value of 1 plus cos theta. So from the trigonometric ratios, what is the value of root 3? Okay, root 3 in the form of tan you can take it as, okay, root 3 can be taken as tan 60. Yes, tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Now comparing them, you will get theta is equals to 60 degrees. Now we have got theta is equals to 60 degrees. Now we need to find the value of 1 plus cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? So that is 1 plus theta is 60, right? So 1 plus cos 60 degrees. That is 1 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. So when you take LCM, you will get 2 plus 1 by 2. You will get 3 by 2. Okay. So 3 by 2 is the value. Now let us solve the third question. Sin 58 degrees by cos 32 degrees plus tan 42 degrees by cot 48 degrees. See, if you see these angles, 58 degrees, 32 degrees, 42 degrees and 48 degrees, these are the complementary angles, right? So from the complementary angles, we have sin 90 minus A is equals to cos A. In the same way, you have cos 90 degrees minus A will be your sin A. Now let us convert this cos 32 and cot 48 in terms of tan and sin. Okay. So sin 58 degrees divided by, see here, cos 32 degrees. 32 degrees can also be written as 90 minus 58 degrees. Right? 90 minus 58 is 32. Okay. So, this can be written as cos of 90 degrees minus 58 plus tan 42 degrees by 48 degrees can also be written as 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. Okay. So, cot 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 degrees. So, we know that cot 90 minus A will be your tan A. Sin 58 degrees by sin 58 degrees plus tan 42 degrees divided by tan 42 degrees. Okay. This will be 1 and this will be 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 is your answer. So, let us see the next question. If sin A is equals to 1 by root 2 and cot B is equals to 1, prove that sin A plus B is equals to 1. So, we know that sin A is equals to 1 by root 2. So, what is the value of 1 by root 2 in terms of sine? What is the trigonometric ratios? That is sine 45 degrees. Now, comparing them, you will get A is equals to 45 degrees. In the same way, cot B is equals to 1. What is the value of 1 in terms of cot in trigonometric ratios? That is cot 45 degrees. Now, comparing them, you will get B is equals to 45 degrees. Yes. Now, we need to find the value of sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is equals to sine of what is A? A is 45 degrees. 45 degrees plus B is also 45 degrees. That is sine 90 degrees. We know the value of sine 90, which is 1. This is the RHS, right? So, we have proved it. Therefore, proved. Now, let us solve the next question. Express cos theta in terms of tan theta. So, we know that cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. Okay. So, what is secant theta now? See, from the identities, we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Yes. So, secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So, what is secant theta? Secant theta is equals to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now, write it here is equals to 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now, let us solve the sixth question. If cos theta is equals to 1 by root 2, then find the value of 4 plus cot theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by root 2. What is the trigonometric ratio for the 1 by root 2 in terms of cos? That is cos 45 degrees. Yes. Now, comparing them, you will get theta is equals to 45 degrees. Okay. Now, let us find the value of 4 plus cot theta. 4 plus cot theta. 4 plus cot theta we have got is 45 degrees. Cot of 45 degrees. What is 4 plus? What is cot 45? Cot 45 is 1. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is your answer. Okay. Let us see the next question. Is it correct to say that sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta? y. So if we take a right angle triangle ABC, this is 90 degrees, this is angle theta, angle 90 minus theta. Okay, this is your angle 90 minus theta and this is the angle theta. So first let us find for sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now let us take cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. The cos 90 minus theta, that is base by hypotenuse. Yes, what is base here? Base is AB. AB by AC. If you compare these two, we can say AB by AC and AB by AC. Both are same. So we can say, therefore we can say sine theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Yes, it is correct. Now let us solve the next question. Find the value of tan 2a if cos 3a is equals to sine 45 degrees. So, cos 3a is equals to sine 45 degrees. What is sine 45 degrees? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So, cos 3a is equals to 1 by root 2. So, now again 1 by root 2 in terms of cos, it is cos 45. Yes. Now comparing them, you will get 3a is equals to 45 degrees. Okay. So you will get a is equals to 45 degrees divided by 3, which is 3 15s. So a is equals to 15. When a is equals to 15, what is tan 2a? Tan 2 of 15. Tan 2 of 15. That is tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay. So let us solve the next question. In a right triangle ABC, right angled at C, in which AB is equals to 13 centimeter, BC is equals to 5 centimeter, determine the value of cos square B plus sin square A. So let us draw the diagram first. So this is the right angle triangle. AB is 13 and BC is 5 centimeters. So sin A will be, let us first take angle at A and find sin A. Sin A will be P by H. Yes. So which is 5 by 13. Next let us find cos B, which is base by hypotenuse, which is 5 by 13 as well. Okay. Now let us find cos square B plus sin square A, which is, what is cos B? Cos B is 5 by 13 whole square plus sin A is 5 by 13 whole square. So you will get 25 by 169 plus 25 by 169, which is 50 by 169. Okay. So let us solve the next question. Evaluate cosecant 39 degrees into secant 51 degrees minus tan 51 degrees into cot 39 degrees. So if you see the question, again it is a complementary angles. Okay, so if you want to convert secant into cosecant or cosecant into secant, you need to use complementary angles. Okay. See, if you want 51 degrees, you can 90 minus 39, you can do 90 minus 39, you will get 51. Yes, So if you want 39 degrees, you can do 90 minus 51. You will get 39 degrees. Let us convert this cosecant into secant theta. Okay, cosecant 39 degrees can be written as cosecant 39 degrees can be written as 90 degrees minus 51 degrees. Yes, so into secant 51 degrees minus tan 51 degrees into, see again, cot 39 degrees can be written as cot of 90 minus 51 degrees. Okay, so we know that cot 90 minus A is equals to tan A. This will be secant 51 degrees into secant 51 degrees minus tan 51 degrees into tan 51 degrees. Okay, now this will be secant square 51 degrees minus tan square 51 degrees. Now do you see any identity? Yes, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so which is 1. See, let us see the next question. Ravi says the value of tan 0 degrees into tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree, so on, tan 89 degree is 0. Do you agree with Ravi? Give reason. Tan 0 degrees into tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree, so on to tan 89 degree. Okay, so you need to write tan 0 degrees as it is, write tan 1 degree as it is, and tan 2 degrees as it is. We need to convert tan 1 degree or tan 2 degrees in terms of 89, or the one more term is 88. Yes, or you need to convert this tan 88 or 89 in terms of 1 degree and 2 degrees. Okay, so tan 0 degrees into tan 1 degree, 1 degree and 2 degree will be as it is, so on. Tan 89, the before term will be tan 88, right? So tan 88 degrees. So tan 88 can be written as tan of 90 minus 2 degrees. Right? It can be written as tan of 90 minus 2 degrees. So tan of 90 minus 2 degrees into tan of 90 minus 1 degree. Okay. Now see, this is tan 0 into, this is tan 1 degree, okay, into tan 2 degree, so on. What is this? Tan 90 degrees minus 2 degrees is cot 2 degrees into cot 1 degree. So what is the value of tan 0 degrees? Tan 0 degrees is 0. 0 into the whole thing, tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree 2 degrees. Okay. See, if you see here, 0 into anything is 0 only. Yes. So here you will get 0. Okay. So if they ask you what is the value of from here, tan 1 degree, 2 degree till 89 degree. So this will be cot can be written as 1 by tan. Yes. So tan will get cancelled. Here also cot can be written as 1 by tan. Okay. Tan will get cancelled. The answer will be 1. If in case they have asked from tan 1 degree, 2 degree. Okay. Here they have asked from tan 0 degree. So we have got it as 0.
These are the multiple choice questions from the previous year's papers. Please do practice these questions and let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section.